Section 6.2, adding and subtracting rational expressions. Rational expressions are added and subtracted in much the same way as fractions in arithmetic. To add or subtract, the denominators must be the same. If they are, then you add or subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. In other words, if we have a over b plus c over b, we can add those numerators, and it doesn't matter if it's addition or subtraction. We add the numerators and keep the common denominator. And in this first rational expression here, I have common denominators, so I can go ahead and add the numerators together and express them over the common denominator. Combining like terms in the numerator, 7x and 1x make an 8x. 4 minus 2 leaves a positive 2 over that common denominator. And just like fractions in arithmetic, where you're always wanting to express your answer in reduced form, we want to simplify our rational expressions. Common factor between these two terms in the numerator is a 2, leaving a 4x plus 1. We could do a quick distributive to verify we have an equivalent expression. Likewise, in the denominator, the greatest common factor is 3. Factoring out or dividing by a 3 leaves a 3x plus 2. Multiplying gives us an equivalent expression. Didn't know until we factored this whether it was in simplified form. It's clear that there is no common factor. The binomials are not the same. 2 and 3 don't have anything common. But it's not clear in this form, but it is definitely clear that the rational expression is simplified here. In this next one, we have our common denominators. The green light essentially is set to go, so it's a matter of adding our numerators together. So m squared minus 11m, the first numerator, plus the numerator, the second fraction with a common denominator, is expressed over the common denominator of both. There's nothing to combine, so we're done essentially with the one thought, is this reduced or simplified? And to determine that, let's factor our numerator. Factors of m squared for our first term came from an m and m. Factors of 30, both signs being the same, both being negative, that add up to be 11 would be a negative 5 and a negative 6, all over the common denominator of m minus 5. And now, looking at our rational expression, we do have a common factor of m minus 5 in the numerator and the denominator, which cancels out, leaving us with 1 times m minus 6, or just simply m minus 6 for our simplified rational expression to this addition of rational numbers.